Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to screen record on iPhone 16 or 16 Pro. To screen record, swipe from the right top part of your screen to reveal the control center and then make sure that you have a screen recording icon here. I don't have it, so to add it, click on plus in top left corner, then add a control and then click on screen recording. And now it's placed here. You can rearrange it or resize it, and when you're done, exit out of the control center edit mode by clicking anywhere on the screen, and then to start screen recording, click on this icon, and then in 3 seconds, when this counter stops counting, it will start recording your screen. Now, to stop screen recording, click on the dynamic island, then click on pause. And now, screen recording is saved to your phone's photos and you can find it here and watch it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.